Hello, I created this quick video to show you how you can use the ID account to configure all your cloud resources. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to select the cloud provider you would like to work on. And today we worked on AWS. On the left side, you have all the cloud resources that you can use to design and manage your cloud infrastructure directly on Brainboard. The first resource we are going to use is the region. We simply need to drag and drop it, and here we have the ID account, and we can use it to configure all of our cloud resources. We can modify the resource name and the region, let's say, for example, Ohio. Here, for the extra attributes, we can write down the Terraform code, and we have the title of this specific resource. For the second resource, we can use a VPC. So we look for VPC and we drag and drop it directly in the region. Because we have included the VPC in the region, this field has already been pre-filled for you. Here we have four sections. The first one is the mandatory one that you need to fill, the advanced configuration, the extra attributes with the meta arguments, and the exported attributes. Here, for example, we are going to configure the CIDR block 10.0.0.24. Then we have the tags that Brainboard has already written for you. And here, for example, we are going to write a random character. And here, Brainboard will recognize that it's not valid, and then you need to actually write key equal value. So Brainboard is also helping you configure your own resources. Here you have the documentation for the count meta argument, as well as the documentation for the depends on and the one for the for each. Here, for example, let's say you would like to configure the count as 3 for 3 VPCs. And here, let's say you want to write, let's say, test. Here, Brainboard will automatically recognize that there is a conflict between the count and the for each, and that if you want to keep the count, then you need to delete the for each here. And then you can write the Terraform code of the specific resource, and all the extra attributes that you can have, you will have them after you deployed this resource. Here, I close it. I make it bigger. And here, as you can see, the count is 3. And let's say now you would like a security group. So security group is here. To use it, you simply need to drag and drop it here. The first power of Brainboard is that is able to recognize all the interactions between the resources. So now the security group is included in the VPC and then in the region. And once more, you have the ID count with the documentation to help you configure this resource group and the fields that I've told you before. So here you have the region, you have the advanced configuration with the description, the name, you have the tags. Because you have included the security group in the VPC ID has already been pre-filled for you. And then you can configure your resource like that. I hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to help you build your own use cases on Brainboard. Have a great day.